Men should be eating more watermelon and women should be eating more pineapple. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Getting Healthy with Dr. T, where I share with you easy tips on how you can use food as medicine to improve your health. Today we're discussing two fruits, watermelon and pineapple. Men should be eating more watermelon and women should be eating more pineapple. It has been rumored that pineapples help the scent of the vagina, but it's not only a rumor. It has actually been proven. Basically, any and everything that you digest will affect the way your body smells in general. For example, if you don't drink enough water, you may notice that your urine is a little darker. If you're having diets that are very low in nutrition, lack of fiber, you may notice that your stool is hard and you may be often constipated. So pineapple takes on that same trend. Pineapple is sweet and it's loaded with tons of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, and it has been proven to improve the scent of the vagina. I'll leave a link down below on a study that was conducted that actually proved pineapples improve the scent of the vagina. Now, as far as watermelon is high in an antioxidant called citrulline, and this antioxidant helps to improve blood flow. When a man is aroused, improving blood flow will help with an erection. Citrulline helps to dilate blood vessels, which in turn helps with blood flow. And when you're aroused, that will help with an erection. You would have to have about 3.5 cups of watermelon on a daily basis to get the allowed amount of citrulline into your diet. My suggestion is to incorporate watermelon and pineapple into your diet in general. Not only does pineapple help with the scent of the vagina, it has also been shown to improve the scent of sperm. Pineapples contain an enzyme known as bromelain, which is higher in the skin and in the core of the pineapple. So be sure to check this video out where I show you how you can use the skin of your pineapple instead of throwing it away. Pineapples also have high levels of vitamin C, thiamine, which will provide an energy surge to the body. So basically what you eat affects every part of your body, including the vagina. In fact, according to an article published in the Journal of Scientific Reports, your vagina and gut health are linked to each other. So if you keep your gut healthy, your vagina will be healthy as well. So as a couple, be sure to eat more watermelon and more pineapples. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video with a friend. I'll see you next week.